Hello. In this section, we're going to show you how to import and export the site definition files from Dreamweaver. So here I am in Dreamweaver, and as you can see, I have no site defined. So I'm going to go into Site, Manage Sites, and down here on the right-hand side of Manage Sites, at the bottom is something called Import. Now, I've already saved a site definition file on my H drive. Here's my H drive in a folder called WebSys site, and the file name was called WebSys site, a site file. It's a site definition file. So I'm going to click on it, and there I have my WebSys site definition. If I edit it, you'll see that it says my site is on the H drive. If I go to servers, it's pointing to vleda.stern.nyu.edu with an SFTP connection, etc. You can click Save. We can now bring down the site, or look at the site. Let's click Done. Let's go over to the site, and in it you'll see I have two files, a page1.html, which I'll edit. So here's, look at it in split window. So here's what we're going to see on the web, and here's our HTML in the left-hand window. So let's just change the title up here. Call it WebSys site, and I'll save it. Oops, sorry, I don't have to save it. Let's go over here, and I will move it up to the server. Put all the dependent files. And now if I go in another window, go over to Safari, I'll go to File, Window, vleda.stern.nyu.edu/n white/websys. And here is my page 1 file, and has been changed. Goes up here, the title we now see WebSys site. So that's all it takes to import a setting. Let's go back to Dreamweaver. So here we are back in Dreamweaver. And I just wanted to show you what I did to export the site the first time around. It was after it was named. Clicked on Export. Back up my settings. I scroll down to somewhere down here to WebSys site. Clicked on Open. And in this case, I already had a file there, but I'll replace it. And we're done. So if you do that every time you go into Dreamweaver, notice you only have to export, as long as you don't change the definitions, you only have to export the site definition file once. You can save your sites, and you can have multiple site definition files so that you can move back and forth. The next thing to do is to make the site look a lot nicer, and that's what our next little exercises will be focused on. I'll see you then.